Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create this type of sports poster design in Adobe Photoshop. I have this stadium picture. Press Ctrl+T and adjust its size. Then bring the roller and set it in the center. Then go to Rectangle Marquee tool and make a selection of the half area. And create a layer via copy of it. Hit Alt plus Backspace from your keyboard to apply the blue foreground color to it and change its blend mode to multiply. Press Ctrl+J. Now select both and press Ctrl+J again. Press Ctrl+T and drag this right to left. And apply this green on these two layers with the Alt plus Backspace button. Now create a blank layer. Go to the brush tool. Select the torn paper brush and link to this brush mentioned in the description. Follow my settings for brush. And apply. Add a layer mask and remove the extra parts. Press Ctrl+T and adjust it. Now add a white solid new fill. Hold the Alt button and click to create a clipping mask. Use torn paper brush again with a white foreground color and apply it like this. I have this PCB logo that I use. Press Ctrl+Shift+U to desaturate this logo. Now I add BCCI logo in it and desaturate this. Select the Type tool and type text here. Now I add Babar photo. Add a layer mask to it and delete the extra part. Now it is time for Virat Kohli image to add to this poster. Adjust it properly. Add a layer mask to it. And delete this part from mask. Add a blank layer above Virat Kohli's layer. Select the soft brush tool and apply it on the right side like this. Right-click on it and create a clipping mask. And change it blending mode to color dodge. Adjust it further. Select the Type tool again and type the names. First, I type Babar and set it here. Hold the Alt button and create a copy of it. Double-click on it and change it to Virat Kohli. Go to the brush tool and use a torn paper brush. And apply it here. And type text on it. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic related tutorials. Thank you for watching.